Everybody sit down, sit down, sit down. Everybody
Where do we sit?
down
Over here?
in front of me.
Okay, let's go sit over there.
Everybody sit down, sit down.
What's that, teacher?
I'm going to read a story.
Oh, where's your glasses gone?
And you just get the book and I'll put my glasses on.
Oh, where's the book?
In my room.
Oh, do we need to go get it?
Eric!
What happened?
Eric was doing a bad thing.
Was he? What was he doing?
Nothing.
Well, that can't be that bad then.
Ben!
Yes.
Put your hand up if you want to ask a
Oh, sorry.
What?
What did Eric do wrong?
You mean, hold on. Just pretend Eric didn't do anything wrong.
Okay.
Eric!
Eric?
Eric! Don't hit that. Don't hit your friend. Excuse me.
Oh, sorry.
Can you please get the book?
Nice.
Put your hand up if you want to